Hello everyone. Today, I'm here to share an exciting topic with you. I've prepared a simple and highly profitable technical analysis tutorial using the SSL Channel indicator. If you're interested in technical analysis and want to stay one step ahead in predicting market movements, you've come to the right place. You may not have heard of the SSL Channel indicator before, but don't worry. Today you'll get acquainted with it and learn how to use it. SSL Channel is an indicator that shows potential support and resistance levels for the price. By using this indicator, you can predict what the price might do next and utilize that information to make profitable trades. However, the key point here is the simplicity and profitability of this tutorial video. My goal is not to overwhelm you with complex terms or make you spend hours analyzing charts. On the contrary, I want to provide you with a strategy that is quick and effective to use. We all know that time is valuable, right? That's why we'll teach you the most important aspects of the SSL Channel indicator, and then guide you through practical applications to start making profits. It really is that easy. As investors, we all want to seize opportunities to make profits. The SSL Channel indicator allows us to see these opportunities more clearly and make more accurate predictions. It gives you a sense of security in the market and helps you make more informed decisions. Throughout this tutorial video, you will progress with me step by step, and you won't have to deal with complex strategies that could make you lose everything. I will provide you with all the necessary information about the SSL Channel indicator and then encourage you to develop your own strategies. If you're ready, let's embark on this journey where the SSL Channel indicator will help you confidently step into the world of technical analysis. Remember, having a profitable strategy is always an advantage, and today, we're here to attain that. Now, sit back, put on your glasses, and let's dive into this exciting topic. Let's learn our first example. The yellow line of the SSL Channel indicator has crossed above the black line, generating a buy signal. The price is trading above the SSL Channel lines. Of course, to make a safe entry, we draw a resistance line at the peak level that appears after the initial pullback movement, and wait for it to be broken. The last green candlestick has crossed above the resistance line. Now we can open a trade. The first target level will be a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. If we reach this level, the stop loss should be moved to the entry point of the trade. Afterwards, we will aim for a higher profit ratio and close the entire trade whenever the price closes between the SSL Channel lines. And a red candlestick has closed between the SSL Channel lines. Here, we are closing the entire trade because there is a possibility of the trend reversing. Let's take a look at another example of a long position right away. The yellow line of the SSL Channel indicator has crossed above the black line, and a small red candlestick has caused a pullback. We can draw a resistance line here. The resistance line was broken to the upside, and the candlestick closed above it. Our first target is the 1-to-1 reward level. Now let's apply our trading rules to a short position example. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. As you can see, the yellow line of the SSL channel indicator has crossed below the black line. This is a sell signal, but we should draw our support line at the lowest level formed. We will open a trade at the closing level of the bearish candlestick, which closed below the support line. And our first target is the 1-to-1 reward level. We have taken a partial profit realization at the 1-to-1 reward level and moved the stop loss to the entry point shortly after. However, the price closed between the SSL channel lines. This is a rule in our strategy to close the trade. However, please note that after achieving the 1-to-1 reward ratio, we can choose to wait for a higher profit target depending on the trader's risk preference. It is entirely up to the trader's discretion. I'm sure you have memorized the rules by now. I'll remain silent and present one final example on the screen. Please watch carefully.